For our lesson today, we're going to need to discuss one new vocabulary word. So would you please turn to page 2, and it's the fourth one down. So adjacent angles. First of all, this always bothered me because it looks like adjacent, but we do not pronounce the D. So it's adjacent angles, and it's two angles, and I should put an S there, that are next to each other. They share a common vertex and a side. So we'll just draw a picture of it right now. So if I had an angle here and another angle that came from the same vertex, I've now drawn adjacent angles. So if I called this angle 1 and I called this angle 2, angle 1 and angle 2 are next to each other. So that means that they're right next to each other. They share a common vertex. Yep, they both start right here at the vertex, and they also share a common side, meaning in this case this ray right here. All right, let's move on to the lesson.